Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I found a few items at the Dollar Tree that I would like to share with you. And let me show you what I picked up. I did not pick up too many items, but I thought you would want to see what I picked up. This is the first time I've seen this. It is one of those stuffed ornaments. It's felt on the back, and then it has that plaid pattern on the front. It is really cute, right? It is of a deer. Look, let me get this tag out of the way. Look at that. How cute is it? I like it. I also picked it up for inspiration, but I will use this ornament as it is. It is really cute. I like it. I also picked up this ornament, and I've seen this in the years past, but I don't recall having the material on the siding of the birdhouse. It is cute, right? And the cover right here is plastic, but it's got the snowy effect. It is really cute. And cute little arrangement. I want to improve the roof on here and before I use it, and I also want to use this as an inspiration piece. I think it's a really cute idea, right? I was thinking instead of using a plastic tip like they did, I want to use the actual pine cones. How awesome would that look? And then maybe put some embellishments on the front. If I can find a tiny enough bird to match the birdhouse, I can put a bird on there too. And yeah, I will need to clear up all that hot glue gun webbing, but it is a cute idea, right? I like it. And the last items I picked up are these. This is a USB to a Type-C adapter, and see there, I always need this. You know, with all the new Type-C connectors coming out, this will work really well. And they make excellent stocking stuffers, right? I like them. And I did pick up several of these. See, it was a quick Dollar Tree haul. I'm waiting for new stuff to come in. I see all the electronic items everyone is picking up, and I'm quite hopeful that it will show up in my stores this week. So I will keep checking back. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. How often has the Christmas tree afforded me the greatest glee? Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly. Oh Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly. From base to summit, gay and bright, there's only splendor for the sight. Oh Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly. Oh Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee. Oh Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee. Thou bidst us true and faithful be, and trust in God unchangingly. Oh Christmas tree, how richly God